It's just so peaceful first thing in the morning out by the garden. I've been having to pick the cucumbers every other day. As soon as I get some ripe tomatoes, I'm going to make fresh cucumber salsa. Hopefully next week I'll have a short on how to make it. I'll definitely have enough cucumbers for it. I'm once again picking the Roma 2 beans. I swear there is no bean that produces like these, and they taste so good. This is the 4th time that I've picked them. This is what the Roma 2s look like. They're a really big bean. You don't want to pick them when they're little, otherwise the flavor doesn't develop. And they do not get strings, so it doesn't matter really how big they get. Beans this size are too small and they won't have good flavor. Well, I picked over the whole row of the Blue Lake beans, and that's all I got. I do not know what's up with them. They're blooming good, there's just no beans. And they were planted the same day as the Roma 2s, and I've picked the Roma 2s 4 times and still just, 5 beans off of that row. And these are the Dixie Lee peas, and they're starting to make peas, and I cannot wait to eat some of these. I usually cook some of them like green beans while they're still green and not wait for them all to dry. It's alright! It's alright, Stacy, it's me. You can get back in. When my dad first dug out this pond, it was maybe 6 foot across and 8 foot long, and every year the pigs, they just get in there and root around and make it bigger. Last year we had a drought, so my dad took his tractor and dug it out a little bit deeper and made it a little bit bigger. But as you can see, Stacy, she's trying to make it even bigger. Before long, they're going to have the whole pasture as one big pond. When your roosters have spurs like this, you better hope they're friendly. Jelly Bean's taking her babies a little bit farther away from the barn every day. I've noticed that they've been scratching, so I'm going to mix up some neem oil and spray it on them. I thought since their dad was Billy Ray that it would be cute if I called these two Hannah and Jackson. Vern, you've been fighting with Billy Ray, haven't you? Don't eat my shirt. Have you been fighting? Vernon, have you been fighting? A week or so ago, I think Dolly must have got her head stuck in the fence, and then she's pulled so hard that it's broke her horn off. I put medicine on it and it healed right up. I think it's going to go ahead and fall off, and you can see that the new horn is growing underneath. This one is Loretta. And that one is Emmy Lou. And Dolly's the one with the broken horn. All of the Mexican sunflowers that I've planted are starting to bloom. It's one of my favorite summer flowers. Hummingbirds and butterflies, I know I said this before, but they just love it. You'll have 10 or 15 hummingbirds flying around it. One thing I remember about my grandma's garden is she always had a row of zinnias. Vernon says, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.